welcome to Motorcycles UK. In the words of Monty Python, and now for something completely different. Today I'm going to show you a short video on this beautiful Harley-Davidson XR1200. Here we have a Harley-Davidson XR1200. This is a 2009 bike on an 09 plate with 32,824 miles and 2 owners from new. The bike will be serviced and MOT'd before it leaves us and is in excellent condition. Save for, and I'll show you now, get it out the way, this mark here on the decal there, which was done in transit, unfortunately. We have ordered a new decal, so that will be repaired before the bike leaves as well. The bike's in standard trim, which is excellent. I mean, so in 2009, Harley-Davidson decided that what they do is they build a flat tracker based on the XR750 from all those years ago, and actually, do you know what, these are fantastic fun to ride, and I should know because I raced one in the one make series that accompanied British Superbikes in 2010 and 11, so I can tell you they are actually good fun, and you can surprise a few people on a track day with one. They're about 100 horsepower, V-twin engine obviously, and they are a lot of fun. Proper suspension, proper brakes, proper tyres, and yeah, just a lot of fun in general. So this bike is in, as I said, excellent condition, save for that sticker on the tank, which, as I said, would be repaired. Tyres are all good on it. As I said, we will service it and MOT it before it goes. There's no corrosion on the bike anywhere, which is nice, and these things are actually very collectible because they only made them for a few years. There's not that many of them, so a few of them obviously ended up on the racetrack for the one make series. But there's not many road going ones, and they are starting to attract a bit of a following because they are an unusual thing. If you like your Harley-Davidsons and you want something that goes and stops really well, and this is it. It's a tremendous motorcycle, and as I said, a lot of fun. And it does put a smile on your face, which is what motorcycling is all about. So here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with a current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale, and a thorough safety inspection. We're also pleased to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this interesting Harley-Davidson XR1200, then please do get in touch, either via the website or on the telephone. We'll be delighted to take your inquiry. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.